Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. This is Ed's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial check out of this telephone. Now we have a note with this unit. We know the bell does not ring. And since this is the initial checkout, we're going to show you this telephone. It's in very good condition for its age. And we also want to show you that Ed has his line cord, which looks to be original, and the 4-prong plug. So that's pretty cool to see it like it would have been years ago. He has the adapter on it, so he does plug it into a modern jack. Now, we want to go through the handset cord. We want to go through our transmit, our receive. We also want to go through the rotary. I'm going to show you that. That's very sluggish. We have the cover loose, so it might move a little bit. So we want to oil, clean, and adjust the rotary. We also want to give you a look at this unit. Like we mentioned, it's in very good condition for its age. Give you a look at this unit. We also want to get a dial center card in the rotary here. We're going to go with something to the period of the telephone. We'll go ahead and show you the inside. So we'll be going through the network here, our bell circuit, our block, our rotary, and our hook switch. So we're going to go through everything on the unit, and then I want to show you the bottom of this unit. It's in very good condition. And we want to get a start on this telephone. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Western Electric rotary desk telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this Western Electric 302 desk telephone, and we're going to run through a few things. Now, we're finished up with the telephone. We went ahead and cleaned, oiled, and adjusted the rotary. We installed a dial center card to the period of the telephone, and we will do a still picture of that. We also went through the network. We went through the bell and the bell circuit. That issue has been taken care of, so that's been resolved. We also went through the line cord, the handset cord, the transmitter, and the receiver. And what you see here that's taped to the receiver is our amplified pickup. We use that in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio on our final checkout because we make calls. Now, I have a button at my amplifier, and I can push that at any time and go ahead and let you listen to the audio from the receiver. And I'm going to try to get the noise from the transmitter to recreate what I'm hearing. There's a lot of sizzling and popping going on the transmitter, and they have graphite granules in them. And the old F1 transmitters, there's also T1 transmitters, they have the graphite crystals in them, and basically they can become noisy over time. Now, with the age of these type of transmitters nowadays, they have quite a bit of age on them, and they're all a little bit noisy at some times. And this one's a little too noisy, so we're going to try to show you that, but we're definitely going to replace it. And although that you get a little noise sometimes from probably all of them just due to the age, we're going to go ahead and change this one because it's a little too much. So I'm going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to plug the line cord in, and that will seize the analyzer. We're going to go ahead and give you the dial tone. And you can basically hear the static in there. Now what we want to do is give you a dial tone, and we're going to hit the hook switch to cause dial tone to go away, and we're going to see if you can pick up that sizzling and popping noise that's associated with this F1 transmitter. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, of course, the hum that you hear, you may hear a little bit of a hum. That's just from the amplification. But you can actually hear the transmitter. It's very noisy. And it will come and go. But it's just a little too much noise. And we should have caught some of that. So basically what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and change the transmitter, and we're going to come back and start our final checkout. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we went ahead and replaced our transmitter. So we're going to set that to the side. It's of no use to us. It's just too noisy to use. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and plug our line cord in, and we're going to use our analyzer, and we're going to ring this unit. So we'll go ahead and start the ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times. I'm going to let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers, and you'll watch them roll by on the analyzer. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now what I want to do is I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch this red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. I'm going to turn the amplifier down a little. And we're going to call that number.
Good evening. Today is Sunday, January 24th. The time is 8:20. Current temperature 38 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area. Partly cloudy today, a high in the low 40s. Mostly cloudy tonight, lows around 30. Monday, cloudy, 50% chance of rain, high in the upper 40s.
We can hang up, and we can call my number, and it'll be busy. Dial tone. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Ed and he can enjoy this telephone. These are highly collectible, very sought after telephones, and I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.